Welcome, kind soul. I'm so glad that you found your way here, and that just for a few minutes you can rest your nervous system and find a place of calm, relaxation. Right now, in this moment, there's nowhere to be. There's nowhere to go. There's nothing to do. And there's no one to be. You can just be here, safe and still. I want to invite you to close your eyes or find a really comfortable place to lie down or sit, or maybe amble through nature, just so long as you're safe. And breathe. And as you inhale and exhale, without trying to control the breath, just noticing how enriching it is that every atom in your being is being filled up and notice the gentleness in the rise and the fall. And feel into the softness in my voice and the gentleness in the space in between the words, and in between every breath there is stillness. And I'm inviting you to rest, float your mind in that still space. You are at one with all of nature. You are at one with the universal energies that ripple through our time. You are here. You are safe. And just gently bring your awareness to the place in your body that feels the most peaceful. Gently notice, what color is it? What texture is it? How does it feel within you? And then gently let it expand out, expanding through you, washing all around you, through your physical body and your energetic body, and further out into the spirit self. And take a breath. Breathe in this new, radiant peace. Filling you up, atom by atom. Letting you drift in this quiet, serene state of absolute calm and safety. Maybe put a hand onto your heart. Feel the warmth. Feel the gentleness. And repeat either in your head or out loud with a gentle voice. I am safe now. In this moment, I am safe. Let that peace permeate down, deeper and deeper into your being. Gently letting yourself know that this safety, this feeling it nourishes and heals the nervous system. And it's so vital, even just for a few moments. Let this vital, living force radiate through you and out of you, expanding into the electromagnetic field, allowing you to be perfectly safe. Perfectly present with yourself, with your love and your own kindness that you can now feel for yourself, and that expression will then ripple out and that love and kindness will ripple out into your day, into your week, into your life. And be here for a few moments more. Feeling your whole body safe, maybe a little tingly, energized in this healing. And whenever you're ready, if you're ready, start to bring your attention back into your body self. Start to bring your awareness to the sounds around you, to the smells around you. You might want to wriggle your toes and feel the softness of your socks or the ground, feeling rooted and supported. And take a couple of free breaths. You might want to stretch or bring a little bit of movement into your body. And if you had your eyes closed, open your eyes and feel and notice any differences from where we began not very long ago. And just take a moment to thank yourself for turning up for you, for spending precious moments, healing moments that I hope can help you journey through your day or your week. And I hope that you will return with me very soon for another guided meditation. Please go with kindness.